So in the last lecture, you learned how to use the concat method to combine two arrays. Now, there is another way to achieve the same thing using the spread operator in ES6. So I'm going to rewrite this code using the spread operator, and you will see why this approach is cleaner and more flexible. So I'm going to define combined as a new array. Now we want to combine all the elements of the first array and the second array. So we use the spread operator like this. First and then second. When we spread an array, all its elements are returned individually. So basically here we're declaring a new array, and in that array we're adding the individual elements of the first and second arrays. So this piece of code here is exactly like this. Okay, so you can see with the spread operator, we have a better visualization of how these arrays are combined. It's very clear that we have an array, and in this array, we have all the elements of the first array followed by all the elements of the second array. Now with this spread operator, we have more flexibility. Let's say as part of combining these two arrays, we want to add an element in between them. We can do that easily like this. Or we can add something at the end. Again, we can clearly see what the combined array looks like. In contrast, if we want to do the same thing using the concat method, our code is going to be more complex. So this is how we can use the spread operator to combine two arrays. Now in the last lecture, you learned that if you call the slice method without any arguments, this will return a copy of the original array here. So let's call that copy. Now, once again, we can use the spread operator to copy all the elements of an array into a new array. So we can rewrite this code like this. Constant, copy, we create a new array, and then spread the combined array. So this will return all the elements of the combined array and put them into this new array.